Improving the appearance of visibly soiled commercial carpet requires restorative cleaning, but traditional methods just don't cut it if you want effective, efficient, and environmentally sustainable results. It's no problem for Infinite. We're setting a new standard in commercial carpet care with the Fast Foamer. Watch and see the difference. First, our floor care expert pre-treats spots with the Fast Foamer's CRB dispensing high-energy foam. These areas require more intensive cleaning, so tending to them first ensures HEF effectively penetrates and breaks down tough dirt and soils. Next, the CRB with HEF preconditions the entire carpet, efficiently distributing encapsulation chemistry and dislodging embedded soils. Finally, with foaming action turned off, the CRB's brushes agitate the carpet, lifting fibers and removing encapsulated soils. Check out the results. The Fast Foamer increases productivity. Our techs clean more square footage in less time compared to traditional methods, and the carpets dry faster, minimizing your downtime. The carpet restoration in this 784 square foot space took our pro less than 17 minutes. The Fast Foamer meets or exceeds visual appearance and soil removal results of other deep cleaning methods. Just look at what our CRB took out of this carpet. Not to mention the difference in appearance. The Fast Foamer reduces water usage by 80% or more compared to traditional systems while producing no wastewater, and that's what truly sets it apart. If you're in Atlanta, contact us about revolutionizing your facility's carpet care with an effective, efficient, and environmentally sustainable cleaning solution. You won't be disappointed.